Ceramic nonstick cookware. Safe or not kitchen deals for you. Hey, health-conscious cooks. Are you still worried about whether ceramic nonstick cookware is actually safe for your family? What if I told you there's hidden information about ceramic cookware safety that manufacturers rarely discuss openly? Today, we're revealing the complete safety truth about ceramic nonstick cookware. And trust me, once you understand these facts, you'll know exactly what to look for and what to avoid. But seriously, can ceramic cookware really be 100% safe? Or are there hidden dangers lurking beneath the marketing claims? And why do some ceramic pans seem perfectly fine, while others raise red flags? Let's solve these safety mysteries once and for all. First, let's address what ceramic nonstick cookware actually contains. Most ceramic nonstick cookware is actually aluminum with a ceramic-based coating applied on top. It's literally a completely different safety profile than what most people think they're buying. So how safe is ceramic nonstick cookware really? The answer depends on several crucial factors. And here's the complete safety breakdown you need to know. Here are the 3 key safety factors that determine if ceramic cookware is truly safe. First, coating composition. Pure ceramic coatings contain no PTFE, PFOA, or other synthetic chemicals found in traditional nonstick surfaces. This means they don't release toxic fumes when overheated like Teflon can. But here's what's crucial. Quality ceramic coatings are made from sand-derived silicon and oxygen, making them essentially inert and food-safe at any cooking temperature. Second, manufacturing standards. How are ceramic coatings actually applied? Reputable manufacturers use sol-gel processes that create chemically stable ceramic layers. This means the coating won't break down or leach chemicals into your food. Lower-quality ceramic coatings may use shortcuts that compromise safety. Third, lead and cadmium content. Some cheaper ceramic cookware, especially imports, may contain trace amounts of heavy metals. Quality ceramic cookware from reputable brands undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets FDA safety standards. So, what makes ceramic cookware truly safe? Here's the breakdown. For chemical safety, ceramic cookware wins hands down. Unlike traditional nonstick, ceramic coatings don't contain or release toxic chemicals like PFOA or PTFE that have raised health concerns. For high heat safety, ceramic coatings remain stable and safe at cooking temperatures up to 850 degrees Fahrenheit. You can't accidentally create toxic fumes by overheating ceramic cookware like you can with traditional nonstick surfaces. For long-term safety, pure ceramic coatings don't degrade into harmful particles over time. Even as the nonstick properties fade, the coating remains food safe. Now, here are 4 safety tips to ensure you're using ceramic cookware properly. Safety tip number 1. Buy from reputable brands that provide safety certifications. Look for FDA approval, PFOA-free labeling, and lead-cadmium testing results. Avoid unmarked imports or suspiciously cheap ceramic cookware. Safety tip number 2. Inspect ceramic cookware regularly for chips or cracks. While ceramic coatings are generally safe, damaged coatings can harbor bacteria or expose underlying metal. Replace damaged pieces immediately. Safety tip number 3. Use appropriate utensils to prevent coating damage. While ceramic is harder than traditional nonstick, metal utensils can still cause chips that compromise coating integrity. Safety tip number 4. Follow proper cleaning methods to maintain safety. Hand wash with gentle detergents and avoid abrasive cleaners that could wear down the ceramic coating. What about safety compared to other cookware? Here's your quick comparison. Ceramic versus traditional nonstick. Ceramic wins for chemical safety. Ceramic versus stainless steel. Both are equally safe when quality made. Ceramic versus cast iron. Both are safe, ceramic easier to maintain. The bottom line? Quality ceramic nonstick cookware from reputable manufacturers is genuinely safe and offers significant safety advantages over traditional nonstick options. You get nonstick convenience without the chemical concerns. Have you switched to ceramic cookware for safety reasons? What's been your experience with different brands?
Drop a comment below with your ceramic cookware safety questions. If this video helped you understand ceramic cookware safety, smash that like button, subscribe for more honest kitchen safety insights, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest health-focused kitchen advice. Until next time, this is Kitchen Deals for You, where we help you make safer choices for your kitchen and your family.